Hello guys, welcome back to Jiva. I am back today with a easy, quick and healthy dessert recipe, which is split chickpeas burfi, basically made of chana dal or split chickpeas. This is a recipe of my mom which I really love, and in a hope that you would love to try, I am here with the recipe. This is an Indian dessert which is quite healthy and delicious. I recommend you to try this at home, as this can be made with easily available ingredients and with less effort. Let's get started with the ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of soaked split chickpeas, 1 cup of white sugar. You can also use brown sugar instead of white. Half cup of Khowa or dried whole milk, 10 to 15 raisins, half cup of kesar milk. This is totally optional. 20 grams of cashews, 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee. If you do not have ghee, you can also use sesame oil. One cup of whole milk. Now I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee into a frying pan and fry the soaked chickpeas for around 10 minutes until slightly golden. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe. You can also hit the bell button to get the notifications of my latest videos. The chickpeas are now fried. I'll now put it in a bowl and allow it to cool completely. To cool it faster, I will transfer it to a dish and spread it. Now transfer the chickpeas into a grinder and make a smooth dust of the chickpeas. I will now add 3 tablespoons of ghee and 1 cup of whole milk in a pan and mix it well. Watch to the end to make a delicious burfi at home. To it, I will add the crushed chickpeas. I will keep stirring until the milk is dried up. Now add 1 cup of sugar and mix it well till it dissolves completely. Make sure your flame is low. Now add half cup of mawa, that is dried whole milk powder. Mix it well for a few minutes. Now add the kesar milk in portions. This is totally optional. This is just to have a nice color in the burfi. Stir it well. I will add 6 to 7 finely chopped cashews to it. You can add your choice of dry fruits. For a nice flavor, I will add 2 to 3 crushed cardamom. And 1 teaspoon of rose water. You can skip the rose water. This is just for a nice flavor. I will now transfer it to a dish and spread it uniformly. I will roll it with a rolling pin to have a smooth texture of the burfi. And top of that, sprinkle finely chopped cashews. I have cut it into a square. Now cut this into a smaller pieces. And your burfi is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your choice of dry fruits. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.